So let's start. We're going to start by creating ourselves a text box. So click and drag, and this text box I'm going to make the whole size of this first page here. Now you should have written an article in Word. So I'm going to come to Word and select all, Control A, and I'm going to copy it, Control C, and then I'm going to come back into InDesign and I'm going to paste it, so Control V, and I've got my text there. Now I want to make it into columns, so we do that by using the Move tool, picking up our text box and right clicking. This gives us a menu called Text Frame Options. I want you to go into there, and at the top here we're allowed to say how many columns we want. So I want my article to be 2 columns, and I want the gutter, which is the space between those columns, that's going to be 5. Okay. And we can see here it's now split it into the 2 columns. When I change the size of the box, so if I wanted to move it down to add a picture or a headline, you'll see that the text runs around between the 2 columns that we've created. What's happened now I've made this box smaller is that there's a red plus sign there. That red plus sign means that there's more text than can fit in the box. That's simple to change. If you click on that red plus, it picks up that extra text, and then you can place it down on your next page. Here you'll see that it's dropped the text into a normal text box. You then need to go in, right click again, go back to text frame options, and you need to change it to match the columns of the other page. Again, these 2 boxes are now linked, so if I were to make this smaller, you'll see that the text rolls around onto that next page. So any changes that you make in this box, you don't need to worry, it will just roll around into the linked text box.